Hey guys, welcome to our very first premiere on YouTube. Premieres are a new feature that allow you to schedule a video release time and then have live chat during the release, not unlike television used to be. This means if you guys are subscribed with notifications turned on, you can tune in to watch the latest Hacksmith episode with us. You'll actually be able to chat in real time with the team as we all watch the video together. And if you're watching this video after the release, don't worry, YouTube actually saves the live chat so you can see exactly what was said. This is a great opportunity for you guys to ask questions during the video. So, without further ado, this is our take on Streetfighter, Captain America versus Car. After we built Captain America's new Wakandan shield, we knew we had to test it out. Plus, we also used some of our other projects like Thor's heaviest hammer and the original Captain America shield. And yes, you have seen some of this footage before, when I broke my arm Mortal Kombat style punching the car. Game on.
Choose your destiny. I do this all day.
One. Fight!
Is that your best?
Yo, check this out.
Sonic boom! Run! Finish him!
Bow to me. Wins.
Round
That's
two.
fun, but let's go old school.
Fight! Uppercut!
Come here!
You win! Round three! Fight!
By the power of Thor!
You are nothing. You will die, mortal. Flawless victory.
Well, thanks for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you have notifications turned on so you can chat with us in real time next week when our next video comes out. And don't forget to check out our other videos on these awesome projects. And if you guys haven't subscribed yet, we also have our vlog channel where we post behind the scenes content and extra footage from our project builds.